Good afternoon, everybody. I have a new video for you guys. We're going to set up a broker for HFX trading. We're going to use VideForex.com. We're on the website right now, as you can see. Looks like they have like a video assistance girl here, but we're just going to go through it together, and we're going to get you guys set up. So let's get started. So we're going to sign up here. And we're just going to fill this out. So just want to go over for the currency. You can choose which one you want. We're going to use American currency, but it's up to you. There's a bunch of other different options that you can use. But for this video, we're just going to use the US dollar. And if you have a promo code, you would put it in here. All right, so I'm just going to pause it and I'll meet you at the next page. Okay, so as a couple minutes ago, we were in the trading area. So it's fairly easy once you get your account all set up here. You just put in your name, your email address, and it takes you to this page. But we're going to fund our account. We're also going to go to our settings and personal data, and we're going to verify our account as well. If you've been on any brokers before, you've done that previously. So we're going to do it with this one. As you can see here, you can choose your passport, personal ID, or driver's license. It's up to you. Remember, it can't be a screenshot. Make sure it's a photo that's been taken and it shows the whole entire passport. Because if you don't do it properly, they will make you do it again. So I'm going to fill this out right now and send it off. And you should as well after you follow this part. Okay, and as you can see right here, once you've uploaded your passport, and it gets you to sign the agreement as well. If you're on a desktop, it's a little bit more hard. If you're on your cell phone, it's a little bit easier because you can use your finger to do the signature. I'm on a desktop, so it's a little bit harder to put on your signature there, but it's doable. So, and then it just pretty much shows that you got to wait, as you can see, maybe like 1 to 2 working business days. So we'll wait for there, but as long as you've done it properly, I wouldn't worry. And so we are going to go back to the trading, and we'll take it from there, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I just had to do some research here. I had to talk to the chat box because if you've gotten the promo code that was put in the Telegram channel, I'm not going to give it out to the public, but you'll know what I'm talking about if you're part of the Telegram channel. If you use that promo code, it's going to say the code is already active. Don't worry, even though it says the bonus is only 50%, and if you put in, $500 or $250 or whatever the amount is, don't worry about clicking on this, because when you put in the amount, your promo code is going to balance it out after. So with the promo code that's used, it's 150% bonus. So whatever you put in, you get that amount. And if you don't panic. Just be sure to click on the chat box right here. They have someone on here 24 hours a day. You can just click on it, send a message, let them know that you had the promo code, and they'll be sure to top it up for you. All right. When you scroll down here, there are a few ways to load up your account. You can use Bitcoin. I think the base amount is 500 USD. You have altcoins, as you can see here, and we have other ways of funding your account. I think the most popular one for us will probably be Deposit, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro. As you can see here, you just put in your all your info, and you'll be off and running from there. So that's pretty much how you set up your account. It's really easy. I actually think it's a lot easier than many of the other brokers. If we go to the main website here, or just the main page, it takes you back to the trading page. We'll make another video soon about how to use HFX binary trading. And so if you got any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below. This is fairly new to me as well, but I'm looking forward to getting started on it. If you have any questions and I can't answer them, be sure to reach out to your leader and they should be able to help you out as well. So I hope everyone had a good understanding on how to sign up, how to fill out the form, send in your identification to verify who you are, and the ways on how to deposit with the promo code if you have it. So thanks again, everyone. Hope everyone has a great evening and take care.